Have you ever wondered what a heat wave really is and how it impacts our lives and the world around us? Today, we dive into the hot topic of heat waves, their causes, effects, and the global response to them. A heat wave is not just a few hot days in a row, it's a prolonged period of excessively hot weather, significantly above average for a specific region and season. These scorching periods can be caused by various factors. High atmospheric pressure systems can trap hot air beneath them, lack of cloud cover can increase solar radiation, and human activities like urbanization and industrial processes can generate more heat. Our health can be seriously affected during a heat wave. The elderly, children, and those with pre-existing health conditions are particularly vulnerable. When the body can't cool itself properly due to excessive heat, heat-related illnesses like heat exhaustion and heat stroke can occur. Heat waves aren't just uncomfortable, they can also be deadly. Increased mortality rates are associated with these hot periods, as they can exacerbate pre-existing health conditions and lead to heat-related illnesses and deaths. Heat waves can also put a strain on our economy. Agricultural productivity can decrease due to the heat, energy demand for cooling can skyrocket, infrastructure like roads and railways can be damaged due to heat-related expansion, and there can be a loss of labor productivity. Climate change is turning up the heat on this issue. As global temperatures rise and weather patterns change, we can expect more frequent, intense, and long-lasting heat waves. However, there are strategies for mitigating the impacts of heat waves. These include implementing heat action plans, increasing access to cooling centers and air-conditioned public spaces, improving urban design to reduce heat island effects, and enhancing early warning systems for extreme heat events. Socioeconomic factors also come into play, with marginalized communities often suffering the most due to inadequate access to air conditioning, limited green spaces, and disparities in healthcare access. Heat waves don't just affect us, they impact our ecosystems too. They can damage crops, disrupt wildlife habitats, and stress freshwater ecosystems due to increased water temperatures and reduced water availability. Addressing the challenge of heat waves requires a coordinated response at all levels: local, national, and global. This includes investing in climate adaptation and resilience, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and enhancing public health preparedness for extreme heat events. In conclusion, heat waves are more than just hot weather. They're a global issue with far-reaching effects on our health, economy, and environment. As we face a future with potentially more frequent and severe heat waves due to climate change, it's essential for us to understand, prepare for, and mitigate their impacts.